thank you so much for joining me. In this segment, we're going to introduce some of the physical properties of acids and bases. Acids taste sour. If you think of Sour Patch Kids, for example, some of those sour gummy worms and stuff like that you taste, those are acidic. And so this can be found in some candies. Certainly your soda is acidic. Some of your fruit is acidic, like your citric fruits have citric acid in them. Lemon would be a key one. When you have that, my son, when he was really little, begged and begged and begged to drink some, real lemon. And I finally let him, and my cheeks hurt washing him. Didn't bother him a bit, but just thinking of the sour in that was enough. So bases tend to taste bitter. Baking soda. So if you go home and put a little baking soda on your tongue, remember being a little girl eating cookie dough and every once in a while getting a chunk of baking soda, and it was very, very bitter. So baking soda would be a good example of a base. And some of your vegetables are bases. Acids tend to feel like water. Now, if they're strong, they're going to burn. Bases, on the other hand, feel kind of slimy or slippery. So if you're feeling, I tell my kids, if you're feeling a little more slippery than normal, that's the base. Because what a base does is it dissolves your skin. And then your skin has the oils, and that's what makes it feel kind of that slippery or slimy feel. They both, acids both and bases both conduct electricity. Weak acids and bases conduct weakly, strong acids and bases conduct very strongly. Acids, if a metal is going to react, not all metals are active enough to react with acid, but I would say many, if not most metals, will react with acids. A few, some, will react with bases, but not many. Okay, phenolphthalein is a classic indicator. An indicator is a substance that changes color with pH. And phenolphthalein is one of the most classic ones. So the solution you would get with an acid would be clear and colorless. And with a base, the solution that would result would be clear and pink. So there's a lot of acid-base indicators. You don't have to memorize too many of them, but phenolphthalein is one that you should know. Now, another indicator that's often coated onto paper, it can be added as a liquid, but is often coated onto paper, is litmus. And with acids, it's red. I remember watching a World of Chemistry video, and Donald Showalter would say, acids are red. I like to think of blue base. So it's blue with base, red with acids. We already know that it's 0 to up to less than 7, and here bases are greater than 7 to 14. So I guess I really kind of did that backwards. We should say greater than 7 up to 14. In an acid solution, your H3O plus or H plus concentration is greater than your hydroxide. And if it's in a basic solution, your H3O plus is less than your hydroxide. You'll always have some. What we're always comparing with acids and bases are the relative amounts. So thanks for joining me. Hope this helps in your journey of chemistry.